Hey guys, if you are looking for best treadmill for home use, you chose right video. Today we're going to review top 5 best treadmill for home use on market by our expert. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Our first product is Bowflex Treadmill 10. Bowflex Treadmill 10 is the best treadmills for your home gym. For starters, you can tell this treadmill is built to last. It's sturdy and feels secure even during sprints. The Bowflex features a large 60-inch deck with a cushion belt that declines and inclines. It also features a 10-inch HD touchscreen that allows you to use a variety of popular apps like Netflix and Hulu while you work out. Though the treadmill is fairly large compared to other home models, clocking in at 323 pounds, we think the extra weight is worth it for the large water bottle holders and media shelf, not to mention the extremely spacious deck that doesn't shake when you use it. The only downside is that the large size of this machine makes it somewhat difficult to assemble alone. We recommend paying the extra $89 for expert assembly from Bowflex. Now our second choice is Horizon Fitness 7.0. The Horizon Fitness 7.0 treadmill has a powerful motor which is highly responsive, so you don't have to play catch-up with your fitness app or tracker while the motor shifts its speed and changes the track incline. While this treadmill doesn't feature a tablet, its Bluetooth capabilities allow you to connect multiple devices at once. That means you can stream media through its integrated speakers while tracking and sharing your metrics with your fitness app. You can access top-notch apps like Zwift, attend streaming fitness classes from Peloton, and get the full health benefit of both. You can even keep up with intense interval training classes. The Horizon Fitness 7.0 also has a 60-inch running surface, which gives you plenty of space to run, and its cushion deck offers support for your legs. And when your workout is over, you can store it with one-step hydraulic folding. Now number 3, Soul F63 Treadmill. The Soul F63 Treadmill is a well-rounded home workout machine perfect for anyone just starting a fitness journey. But it's also built to offer and withstand the kind of exercise that more advanced users want, with a running track that's 60 inches long, 20 inches wide, shock-absorbing, and built on a durable steel frame. In fact, it might be one of the highest quality folding treadmills we've seen at this price. It has a top speed of 12 mph and an incline range up 15%. Making it ideal for high-intensity interval training. Overall, the Soul F63 is very versatile. It can fold up when not in use, offers 10 preset cardio workout programs on its 6.5-inch LCD console to accommodate walkers and runners of all levels, and comes with modern features like Bluetooth speakers and wireless chest strap connections for heart rate monitoring. And on the warranty front, the Soul F63 comes with a lifetime warranty on its motor and frame, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. At number 4, ProForm Pro 9000. The ProForm Pro 9000 blurs the line between a gym-quality treadmill and a treadmill suited for your home. Somehow, it offers all the benefits of both without making any serious compromises. For starters, its 3.6 CHP motor packs a punch that you just don't find in very many home treadmill models. And when you reach its top speed of 12 mph, the treadmill remains sturdy. Some treadmills advertising 12 mph speeds can wobble to the point you might start to sweat for reasons other than your workout. But there are plenty of other reasons why we declared the ProForm Pro 9000 the best treadmill for running. The belt is 20 inches wide and 60 inches long, so you have plenty of room. And sitting below its 22-inch HD touchscreen display are quick speed buttons that let you instantly adjust speed and incline up to 12%. By the way, the ProForm Pro 9000 also features a patented shock absorption cushion that minimizes stress on feet, ankles, knees, and hips. It even comes with a 30-day Fit Family membership, so you'll have access to studio classes, interactive training, and scenic locations for your workouts. At number 5, LifePro Pacer Folding Treadmill. The LifePro Pacer Folding Treadmill reaches a top speed of just under 10 mph, is capable of 12 levels of automatic incline, and features no less than 45 training programs. The screen on this treadmill is very large and Bluetooth enabled, so it can pair with your fitness app and belt out music and other content through its built-in Bluetooth speakers. Its 1.75 CHP motor is powerful but still quiet, and its hydraulic mechanism makes folding and unfolding quick and painless, mainly because there's no danger of dropping the track on the floor or your foot. You won't find many high-end treadmills like this under $800. All the products we mention are available in present market. To get the link, check description below. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notified our next video. Thanks for watching.